Hi guys, Easy Finances here. In this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin, how it performed yesterday and what can we expect in the coming weeks. We will also be talking about the factors which are dictating its price right now. So guys, crypto market is being really crazy right now, and if we look at the crypto bubbles, you can see over here it's all red. And if we talk specifically about Bitcoin's price, then death cross occurred in early January 2022, and since then Bitcoin is down by 40% in price. Moreover, Bitcoin is also in its 9th consecutive red week, which has never happened in the history of Bitcoin before. And if we are talking specifically about its yesterday's performance, then let me go to the one-day chart. And as we can see over here, Bitcoin traded around $30,000 mark and then it declined by 2%. But if we are talking overall, then Bitcoin is managing to hold support at $27,000 mark. And over the past week, guys, Bitcoin has traded in a tight range between $28,000 and $30,000. And according to analysts, Bitcoin have to break down from this range of $28,000 to $38,000. And if breakdown occurs, then it's highly probable that the BTC might hit a low of $20,000. However, some analysts are also noticing the signs of capitulation, which could support a relief bounce in the price. Capitulation is when investors are selling in such massive amounts in a bear market that prices become too low, and investors kind of start to feel like they're losing a lot of money by selling at such a low price, and they kind of stop selling. So basically, panic selling stops in such scenario, and this gives a chance for prices to increase a little bit. Now guys, this is just a relief bounce in price, and this increase in price is not 100% guarantee, and it might be followed by the additional dramatic drops. But if we are talking on the larger point of view, then Bitcoin might be going into a more downtrend if it loses its macro range low, which is around $28,000, and altcoin will shed 90% of their value as a result of this. Now guys, Bitcoin will lose this range if traditional markets keep on crashing because of inflation and increasing interest rates. Inflation is considered to be the hottest in the last 4 decades right now, and Fed is determined to increase their interest rates in order to curb this inflation. Moreover, Target and Walmart have also released their earnings, and they had biggest one-day drop since 1987's Black Day Monday crash. S&P 500 and Nasdaq indexes are also crashing, and S&P 500's decline by 20% has officially confirmed the bear market. Now, the reason I'm stressing on these stocks and traditional market is because according to an analyst by CoinDesk, Bitcoin's correlation to Nasdaq is highest in the history of Bitcoin ever. It means whatever will happen in the stock market, it is going to affect the price of Bitcoin. That is the reason some analysts are also saying that Bitcoin has become the high beta version of stocks. A huge example of this is when Bitcoin jumped to 41,000 mark in March, a 5.7% increase in price in one day, and that happened because China decreased its interest rates. So what I'm trying to say is that any move, any positive or negative move in the traditional market is right now affecting Bitcoin drastically. So we can say that crypto is largely at the mercy of other risk assets and how they will behave during Fed's battle with inflation. Now let's talk about the reason for this huge dependence of crypto on the traditional markets. Now that is because institutional investors have poured big money into crypto market. Around 4 years ago, Bitcoin's price was below $10,000 and retail investors were dominant in the crypto market. But over the past year, institutional investors formed the major portion of daily crypto trading volume. It means institutional investors are right now dominant in the crypto market. And much of the trading volume coming from institutional investors occurs because institutional investors are trading with each other. These institutional investments depend on the availability of capital, and capital depends upon interest rates, which are right now increased by the Fed to curb inflation. So when markets go south, for example, right now, these investors are the first ones to dump crypto assets because of their high liquidity. So if bear market continues for a long time in stock, it will be bad for Bitcoin and worse for altcoins, and we can see a downtrend, and Bitcoin might be hitting a low of $20,000 as well. So that's all for today, guys. If you have liked the video, then smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.